Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you're scanning the market for stocks to scoop up right now, I've got 4 names you need to have on your radar. Centene, Molina Healthcare, UnitedHealth, and PG&E. Why these? First up, CNC and MOH, both are major players in healthcare. With healthcare demand climbing, especially as the population ages, these companies aren't just surviving, they're thriving. They've got strong balance sheets, consistent cash flow, and a history of steady growth. Plus, government contracts give them a level of stability that's hard to beat. Next, UnitedHealth, ticker UNH. This one's the giant in the room. It's got a massive footprint, diverse revenue streams, and it constantly finds ways to innovate. Even during volatile markets, UnitedHealth has shown it can weather the storm and keep investors happy. And then there's PCG, Pacific Gas and Electric. Utility stocks might not sound exciting, but they're all about stability. As California's grid gets upgraded and the state pushes for cleaner energy, PCG stands to benefit big time. Utilities often pay steady dividends, which is always a plus if you're looking for income on top of growth. So if you're after stocks with strong fundamentals and solid long-term prospects, CNC, MOH, UNH, and PCG are definitely worth a look. But remember, always do your own research before making any moves. Good luck out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.